We have been brought up to experience ourselves as isolated centers of awareness and action, placed in a world that is not us, that is foreign, alien, other. The idea that nature is somehow outside us. We've got some nature in us. We say there's a thing called human nature, and mostly bad. We've been hoodwinked into the feeling that we exist only inside our skins. Because if we don't experience ourselves that way, we mistreat our environment. We treat it as an enemy. We try to beat it into submission. And if we do that, comes disaster.